弄到一些到这里了。
It's all your fault. Now they're never gonna let you do it again. Now they're never letting you fly. Now you're banned. Did you know that? 这后面没有，这边才有几个。
我都有弄了，1、2、3。这个好像也弄了。
It looks like pool water.
Pool. Oh.
Why does it have gas?
You start from here on around the plane, counterclockwise.
Okay.
Then you make your way all the way around the plane and then back in the cabin.
Okay.
So for starters,
yeah,
you start over here at the cabin door. Make sure that it's closed and locked.
Okay.
Which in this case is not, but we can just close it and leave it as is. It doesn't have to be locked for the flight. It will be just fine. It won't unlock.
Okay.
Windows relatively clean and fuselage straight.
Okay.
No cracks, no dents, no pieces missing, no rivets missing. So everything looks nice and clean. Okay. Antennas, we have a few antennas on top of the plane. We have the 2 big ones up there that are communications, COM1, COM2.
Okay.
We have a GPS down here. Okay. The little knob that you see all the way up top in the middle, that's the little that's external temperature sensor. Okay. All right. This one right here is a ELT, or emergency locator transmitter, onto the tail.
Is your legs burning?
Yes.
You make sure there's no red X's, like you see this thing, red X right here.
Yeah.
That's something that's off, or is not initialized, or it's disabled, or it's wrong. So you need to address it. Okay. So on the engine side, there's no red X's. So you turn the master light on. I actually already turned the lights on, and I did a quick walk around the plane to make sure that all lights work. Okay. And then you remove the control lock, which is right